Hi, I'm Barry Godin, and this is Alex Ball, the infamous man who we always do a variety of adventures with. Silly things. So this trip started with us driving from London up to the Peak District, and we rode somewhere called the Black Rock, which was amazing. Locals showed some electric trails, which are really, really good. But his bike didn't work. We turned up, his rear tyre wasn't even inflated, so we had to retube that. His seat post was broken, he wouldn't stay down, so we had to sellotape it together, which is quite funny. And his brakes were broken, so we fixed half of it. We couldn't fix his seat post, but he'd ordered one of the posts, and we're waiting for it to arrive. Here's a couple of clips of those trails. Oh, you picked the wrong line then. Not the easiest one. Check this bike out. Put the handlebars at that angle.
Oh, come on.
We have a saddle that's held up with tape. Quality mechanics. The Barry and Bully adventure begins once again. Somehow we managed to get down them with a very high seat post and no brakes that worked. We went back to the cottage, we got the brakes sorted, but no seat post arrived. So the next day, which is today, we thought, sod it, we'll go and get it from the bike shop. So we drove 2 miles north, 2 hours.
2 hours.
Not 2 miles, 2 hours north, and we collected it, refitted it in the car park, which is internally routed. So we took the crankset out, bottom bracket out, press fit, everything, you name it, we had to do it in the car park. But it's running like a dream. And we're so north in the country, we thought, sod it, rather than get down to the Peak District, we've come into the Lake District, my favourite place in the planet. We've just ridden up the Honister Pass. We started at 5 o'clock, very late. It's going to get dark soon. If I don't keep filming, he's going to tell me off. So we climbed up Honister Pass, and then we got hooning down here, up and through Castle Crag, back down to Grange, and then try and find somewhere to camp tonight. But it's pretty beautiful to be here. It's quite scary. We haven't ridden this kind of riding for a while.
Absolutely terrifying. I can't remember. Like, what are you doing?
Rocks is a very different skill. And one, by the end of this descent, we'll have it back again. But yeah, for the moment, we're a bit scared. But
the bejesus out of me.
all right. So we'll enjoy this, and we'll see you at the bottom. So when it comes to rock, the whole idea is to stay loose as possible, and whatever line you pick, it's the line you're going down. There's no way of changing it. And amazingly, speed is your friend, because you scoot more over the top. And if you go a little bit hiccupy, you end up going a little bit straighter than normal. But what's the big ones that scare the life out of you? It's amazing what you can ride over. You can't see anything because of the water. It's like a bloody river. What line are you taking? Oh, there's a deep right off. Come on away. That's what dreams are made of. This is the meaning of single track. The killer view. That's cool, man. Keep your momentum. at that! So the Borrowdale Bash is a real classic. If you want to get introduction to Lake District riding, come here, introduction to natural riding. The trail centres here are good, but nothing beats riding natural trails with these stunning views. And this is an absolute classic descent. This is called Castle Crag. Famously, a hermit lived there for about 30-40 years in a little cave. With very interesting facts. And then down here is a bit of a rock fest. There's a lot of sticky up rocks well in the way, but it's rock all the way down to the bottom village you see just before Derwentwater. It's a banger, but one to wake yourself up on. Tally ho!